Chainlink holder, this is very urgent update for all of you, my brother, because Chainlink is absolutely gonna be very wrong. Let's see, my brother, but absolutely we predicate this coin. I also share my opinion to this selling time, holding time, or buying time, and what we do in this current condition, my friend, is gonna be very bad. And of course, in the future, my friends, they're starting moving upward or not, they fails down. Which time they moving upward? Absolutely, I tell you completely with proof, my brother. But kindly before I get started this video, I request you to Chainlink holder kindly subscribe this channel for more this type of update videos, my friends. Absolutely, ABS Tech channel will guide you every time, so you need to subscribe this channel, my brother. Chainlink is completely falls down from last 1 month, my friends, especially last 20 days, not 1 month, last 20 days they falls down. You can see here, and this time because they sometimes they also take a short jump, but definitely they cannot hit the resistance line. You can see, my friend, they cannot hit the highest point. So it's, and after that, my friends, you can see they are again falls down. So it's mean, my friends, so they are in the lost. The one thing that I want to tell you this as that, my friends, too, you can see here this time they also cannot hit the resistance line, they falls down. So it's mean, my friends, so they cannot give you a profit. But definitely, my friend, at the end of month, every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket. So therefore I tell you, my brother, to at the end of month they will give you very good profit. Absolutely, if you check out, my friend, the last 1 hour chart, exactly, I hope, my friends, they will also going to be positive. You can see, my brother, this time absolutely I am right. You can see, my brother, this time I am massive jump, my friend. You can see here occur, and this time plus 3.6% they moving upwards. So definitely it's a short fell, short jump, but this is very good, my friends, because all crypto market is fails down. And definitely, if you can see, my friend, Chainlink is one of the unique coin, my friend, in the crypto market today, just and only starting moving upward. So exactly this is very good, my friend. So kindly you need to hold, my brother. Absolutely, you need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope, my friends, the good time is soon, so you need to hold. Kindly don't sell it for the end of this month, and sell it at the end of month. Absolutely, if you are a short term investor, then definitely sell it at the end of month. But if you are not, then don't sell it before 2022. Thanks for watching, Chainlink holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.